friends, I'm here with another read aloud today. We are going to read Insect Quest Hide and Seek. We're going to learn all about different kinds of bugs. Do you think you can find the insects that are hiding? Join these children in their insect quest and find out. There's something different about that leaf. Do you see it too? Do you see the insect that's on the leaf? He is camouflaged, so he blends in so that he can hide. Look, it's a Luna moth. Luna moths are some of the largest moths in North America. Adults are over 4 inches wide. Because they are nocturnal, which means they're active at night, Luna moths are sometimes called moon moths. The word luna means moon in Spanish. So nocturnal means that they're awake at night and they sleep during the day, just like our hermit crabs like to come out at nighttime and owls come out at nighttime. The Luna moth, he comes out at night too. The wings are green to help the moth hide in the leaves of the trees. So he's green and he blends in, and that's called camouflage. An interesting fact is that Luna moths have eye spots on their wings to confuse predators. Take a look. Do you see the little dots on the Luna moth? It makes other animals and things think that he has eyes all over him and scares them away so he doesn't get eaten. Just like butterflies, Luna moths start out as caterpillars. That's a funny looking branch on that tree. Take a closer look. What do you see? Do you see what looks like a stick on there? But if you look closely, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. It's not a stick at all. I spy a walking stick. Walking sticks are a type of insects whose color and body shape camouflage make it look just like a stick on a tree. You might spy a young walking stick during the day when they are active, but adult walking sticks are nocturnal. Their eyes are sensitive to sunlight, so the sunlight hurts their eyes. An interesting fact is that the walking stick is one of the world's largest insects because they're so long. A stick insect's body is hard and bumpy, just like a branch or twig. Is there something crawling on top of that yellow flower? It's hard to see. What could it be? It's a honeybee. In a honeybee colony, there are many different jobs. The queen bee lays eggs, nurse bees feed the bee larvae, baby bees that look like worms, that's the larva. And there's worker bees that build the honeycomb, and drones to fertilize the eggs. They all work together to help the colony grow. An interesting fact is that honeybees use honeycombs to lay their eggs. Did you know? Bees are responsible for pollinating flowers and plants. Do you remember when we talked about honeybees a little bit before with our other read aloud and how they go from flower to flower and they take the pollen and they pollinate it to make more flowers? What's that resting over on those leaves? I see eyes and legs. What could it be? Take a really close look. What do you see? There's his legs and his body. What kind of insect is that? I see it now. It's a grasshopper. Grasshoppers love to eat plants, which means they can sometimes be pests for farmers and gardeners. When grasshoppers join together, they can eat an entire field of plants, ruining the hard work of those farmers and gardens. Oh man. A grasshopper's green color helps him to hide among leaves and grass. Do you remember what word we used for that? Camouflage. So he camouflages himself as well and hides. An interesting fact is that grasshoppers are good jumpers. So good, in fact, that they can jump up to 20 times their own body length. Imagine if you could jump that far. You'd be jumping across the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play hide and seek with a butterfly. Can you see it? There it is. It's a leaf-wing butterfly. Leaf-wing butterflies are masters of disguise. When they fly, you can easily see their bright red and orange colors. But when they rest, their camouflage makes them blend right in with the fallen leaves. An interesting fact, leaf-wing butterflies are difficult to spot because they typically live on trees, branches, and even the ground. It's easy to see how the leaf-wing butterfly is so good at hiding. Look at the similarities between this one and the autumn leaf. They look almost the same. Can you tell which one's the butterfly? Take a closer look. There in the grass, silent and still. What do you see? I see a praying mantis. Praying mantises' colors and bodies help them blend into green leaves. They can turn their heads almost all the way around to see behind them. This helps praying mantises look around to find something tasty to eat. How far can you turn your head? An interesting fact, 2 Chinese martial arts have movements that are based on those of the praying mantis. When praying mantises feel threatened by a predator, they stand up and spread their forelegs to appear bigger. So they go like this and get all big and tall and scare off predators. Look at the beautiful flowers. But is there something more? Do you see it too? It looks like a ladybug. Not all ladybugs are red. Many are yellow and orange. These bright colors help them to blend into flowers, but their colors and black spots also help to protect them by sending the message to predators, stay away, I'm dangerous and I don't taste good. An interesting fact, when a ladybug flies, its wings beat 85 times a second. Oh my goodness, that is super fast. Ladybugs are most active when their body temperature is 75 degrees or warmer, so they like it when it's warm outside. Today we found insects that use camouflage to hide from predators. Can you remember their names? Take a look and see if you can remember what the names of all these insects were. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. I hope you enjoyed learning all about these cool insects. I'll see you again next time. Bye.